Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pronuncian, English pronunciation, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pronuncian is an English pronunciation training app designed to help users improve their accent, word stress, and spoken clarity. It teaches sounds, minimal pairs, intonation patterns, and rhythm through structured lessons and guided practice. The app includes audio demonstrations, slow-speed pronunciation, and speaking exercises that help learners correct common errors. It's available on both iOS and Android and is widely used by English learners seeking accent improvement. The app's main feature is its pronunciation lessons. You listen, repeat, and compare your speech with native examples. It also provides explanations for difficult sounds, stress rules, and connected speech patterns. Users get practice quizzes, recorded feedback, and training modules built specifically for American English pronunciation. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clear explanations, structured lessons, and helpful audio comparisons. The app is especially useful for learners who struggle with specific sounds or want detailed correction guidance. Its focus on stress and intonation makes it effective for overall speaking confidence. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features require a subscription, and the design may feel basic compared to newer AI-driven speaking apps. A few users mention that the feedback can be limited because it relies on traditional audio matching instead of advanced speech analysis. Also, the app focuses mainly on American English, which may not suit learners seeking other accents. In summary, the Pronuncian app may be worth using if you want a focused, structured way to improve American English pronunciation, practice difficult sounds, and gain confidence in speaking. However, if you prefer AI-based feedback or need multiple English accents, it might not offer everything you want. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.